So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss this amazing question, right? If you can see properly, this is a combination of three types: exponential, logarithmic and complex number, right? So you are going to learn a lot from this video and from this question also, right? So pay attention throughout the video, and during video if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? So as I said, pay attention throughout the video, and now let's see how do we solve this kind of question, right? What is the question? X raised to ln x equal to iota, right? X raised to ln x equal to iota. So how do we proceed? How do we solve this kind of question, right? So see, first of all, here I have x, right? For example, if here I have a, then I can write it as e raised to ln a, right? Because a will come here according to property and e will get here. So it will become a raised to ln e, and value of ln e always equal to 1. So it will become equal to a. So I can write a equal to a raised to ln a. Same way I will write x equal to e raised to ln x and raised to ln x as it is. I hope you got it, right? E raised to ln x instead of x, and ln x raised to ln x is as it is, equal to iota. Now pay attention. For example, this is my graph. This is real axis, this is imaginary axis, right? Now if I want to write down iota in another form, which means I can represent iota in this part, right? At pi by 2 degree, this is iota, this is imaginary axis, right? So I can write r into iota theta, that theta here is pi by 2. Now suppose I take radius equal to 1, right? R equal to 1, so it will become e raised to iota pi by 2, right? I hope you got it. This is e raised to iota pi by 2, right? And it will repeat itself after 2 pi, right? After every 2 pi it will repeat itself. What? Radius 1. So I can write e raised to iota pi by 2 in general form as e raised to iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi n, where n belongs to z, right? N is integer. If you put n equal to 0 here, you will get iota pi by 2, right? Minus 1. If you put minus 1, then you will get another value 1, you will get another value, but all the value will come here at radius 1, right? So e raised to ln x raised to ln x as it is, and I can write iota instead of iota, e raised to iota into pi by 2 plus 2 pi m. This is our generalized form, right? So now let's see what we'll do. If I apply ln e both the side, right? If I apply logarithm on both the side, then this will come here and it whole term will come here. So it will become ln x whole square, right? And ln e, value of ln e is equal to 1, and it will become iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi n, and ln e equal to obviously 1, right? Again, as I said, n belongs to z here. So now what we'll do, for simplicity, right? For simplicity, if I take n equal to 0, right? Because this is generalized form, I can take any value, but if I take n equal to 0, then this equation will become very simple. So if I put n equal to 0, then what will remain? Ln x whole square, right? Iota into pi by 2, right? Iota into pi by 2, because this will become 0. Now again I have iota here, right? Again I can write iota as in this form, e raised to iota into pi by 2 plus 2 pi. Now this time I will use different variable, right? Because n I have already taken, so I will use k. So I can also write pi by 2 into e raised to iota pi by 2 plus 2 pi k, right? Again k belongs to z, k belongs to z. I hope you got it why I have written this, because instead of iota I will write this form, right? Because this will become very simple and I will get easily answer, that's why. So now here I have ln x whole square, right? Ln x whole square. So if both the side I take square root, then it will become ln x. It will become under root pi by 2, right? I am talking about this term. It will become under root pi by 2 into, if I square root this side, then I will have to multiply by 2 in denominator. So it will become e raised to iota pi by 4 plus pi k, right? Because I have divided this whole equation by 2. Now again, as I said here, that for simplicity I have taken n equal to 0. That in this case also, if I take k equal to 0, then it will become ln x under root pi by 2 into e raised to iota pi by 4, pi k will become 0, right? I hope you got it. Now another thing that I can write e raised to iota pi by 4 as cos pi by 4 plus iota sin pi by 4. Logarithms theorem, right? I hope you got it, which is equal to ln x. Now ln x as it is, under root pi by 2 also as it is, then I can write cos pi by 4 as 1 by root 2. But if I multiply by root 2 in numerator and denominator, it will become root 2 by 2 plus iota root 2 by 2, right? Real value of cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. But if I multiply by root 2 in numerator and denominator will become 2, and numerator I will get root 2, right? So now what will the value of x? Here I have ln x, right? If I want to find out the value of x, then I will have to take exponents at both the sides. So x equal to, it will become e raised to root pi by 2 and root 2 by 2 plus iota root 2 by 2. Agree? Now what will happen? What will the value of x? E raised to root pi by 2 plus root pi by 2 iota, right? Because if you solve this root pi by 2 into root 2 by 2, you will get root pi divided by 2, and root pi by under root pi by 2 plus into root 2 by 2, you will get root pi by 2 iota, right? And if you want to simplify, it will become e raised to root pi by 2 in bracket 1 plus iota, right? This is simpler form. This will be your final value of x, and if you put this value here, you will get, in when you solve, you will get iota as your answer, right? So I hope you got it. This is very conceptual and very amazing question, right? This is, as I said, this is mixture of exponents, logarithm and complex number, right? Very few times you see this kind of question. I hope you got it. If you doesn't, see again this video, and if anyone has any doubt, any query, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? And thank you so much for watching this video.